This hairstyle is one affordable hairstyle for brides. So if you're looking for a traditional marriage hairstyle, or you just need a hairstyle that one pack of extension will be enough for it, then this is it. So after this braid was done, the braid, remember, if you're doing this braid, you don't have to braid it so tiny. You can also use your natural hair first to braid, or just a little piece of extension. So where you need more of the extension is in the middle. After you've braided your hair, you attach the extension as a bun there, the way you attach your ponytail extension. Remember, the attachment or extension you're using shouldn't be put into hot water. Just get it out from the pack, then you just prepare it and just put it there. Remember, the mouth has to be pencil mouth for you to work on it properly. Then you have to split it into different parts. You can ask your model to hold it one part for you, or on your own you can just separate it and just keep it aside. Then you start rolling. Just keep rolling the quantity you want. Roll and roll and roll. While you're rolling it, you'll notice that it's kind of folding up. So follow that same pattern to just go around the bun you've already made before. Just roll it, and when you do that, you wrap it round and use your pin to secure it. So from time to time, you can just spray your either your oil sheen, or you can also use your butterfly shadow, whichever one. You know, butterfly shadow helps it to hold together. So you can apply that, spray that on it and continue. But please remember, avoid butterfly shadow at the tip. You know, you have to get it to stand. But please avoid hot water with this hairstyle. Hot water will not give you the same result that you want to get. Don't use hot water on this hairstyle. If you're just stumbling on my YouTube channel, I just want to say thank you for stopping by today. Please smash that subscribe button to be a part of this amazing community. Like, share to your friends and family, comment. I want to hear your thoughts about this hairstyle. Will you be trying this hairstyle out? And to my returning viewers, I just want to say thank you so much for always supporting your girl. You're the real MVP. I appreciate every one of you, and I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this hairstyle? So this is the final look of this hairstyle. Like I said earlier, you can use this hairstyle as your bridal hair in Africa. You can use it even for your white wedding, whatever. This hairstyle is ideal for every occasion. If you just want that simple and classy look, then this hairstyle is ideal for you. So guys, thank you so much for watching to the very end, and I will see you in my subsequent videos. Bye for now.